Welcome or welcome back to this channel. If you have not yet done so, subscribe or like and comment on the videos. There is a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament each morning, 5 a.m. Jamaica time. My name is Walter Williams, and we have been taking a look at John chapter 11. This is our second reading, and if you want to know more about me, check out the description box below. Did you know that Jesus bawled? Did you know that he actually cried? Well, that is what the reading this morning will be about. Stay tuned.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament.
Today, I'm going to read from John chapter 11, verse 17 to 37. When Jesus reached, he finds that Lazarus dead down in the grave for 4 days. Bethany did there less than 2 miles from Jerusalem. And enough of the Jews them who come from Jerusalem said, did come for us Martha and Mary and make them feel better because their brother did dead. Now when Martha hears said Jesus did a come, she go for meet him, but Mary turned back at the yard. Lord, Martha said to Jesus, if you did there, my brother wouldn't dead. But me know say, even now, God will give you anything you ask him for. Jesus said to her, say, your brother will come back alive. So Martha answered him and say, me know him going come back alive upon the day when the world end and people come back alive. Then Jesus said to her, say, me are the one who make people come back alive, and me make people live. Anybody who believe in me, I go live, all if them dead. And them who alive and believe in me, them not go dead. You believe this? Yes, Lord, she said. I believe say, are you are the Christ. You are God boy picnic. Will come in the world. After Martha said this, she go away, go call her Mary, her sister, one side, and tell her, say, the teacher there, and him ask for you. When Mary heard this, she get up fast, and go which part Jesus there. Now Jesus near reach in the town yet. Him did there at the same place which part Martha did meet him. When the Jews, them from Jerusalem, were did in the house and hush Mary, see how she get up fast and go away. Them follow back at her, cause them did feel say she did a go at the grave, go bawl for her brother. When Mary catch what Jesus did there, she drop herself at him foot and say, Lord, if you did hunger there, my brother wouldn't dead. When Jesus see her at Allah and a ball, and see the Jew them when they come with her a ball to him heart move. Which part on put him? Jesus asked them. Come, Lord, come and see. Them said to him, Jesus ball. Then the Jews them say, could they only see how much him did love him? But some of them say, the man here will make a blind man can see. So him could do something to make a Lazarus not dead. And God would this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.